Hey, space explorers! Today we're diving deep into one of the most mysterious and dangerous objects in space, the black hole. You've heard the name, maybe seen it in movies or documentaries, but do you really understand why they're so dangerous? Welcome to Interstellar Quest, where we journey through the cosmos, uncovering the universe's most mysterious and mind-blowing phenomena. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes black holes so deadly, how they form, and what would happen if you ever got too close. So sit tight, and let's embark on this interstellar adventure. But first, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure like this. Imagine a region in space so powerful, so dense, that not even light can escape its grasp. A place where time, space, and the laws of physics are twisted beyond recognition. This is what we call a black hole. But what makes them so dangerous? And why should we care about them? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the unknown. All right, but first, what is a black hole? Let's break it down. A black hole is essentially a region of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. You may be wondering, how could something so invisible be so dangerous? Well, that's the paradox of black holes. We can't see them directly, but we can observe their effects on the things around them. You've probably heard the term event horizon. That's the point of no return, the boundary surrounding a black hole. Once something crosses the event horizon, there's no coming back. Light, matter, even radiation are trapped inside. And here's the kicker. Nothing can escape from this point. Let's understand how these monstrous black holes form. Black holes are born from the death of massive stars. When these stars run out of fuel, their core collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density. The outer layers of the star may explode in a violent supernova, but the core remains, becoming a black hole. But here's something exciting. Thanks to recent discoveries, we now know that black holes can also form in other ways. For instance, scientists believe primordial black holes could have formed in the early universe, just after the Big Bang, from dense regions of matter. Imagine all the mass of the star crushed into a single point. That's the singularity, and it's surrounded by the event horizon, the point beyond which not even light can escape. So, dangerous, right? But it doesn't stop there. Black holes come in several types, each with its own level of danger. The three main types are stellar black holes. These form when a massive star collapses. They typically have a mass anywhere from 3 to 10 times that of our Sun. Supermassive black holes. These giants reside at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. They can be millions, even billions of times more massive than our Sun. The one at the heart of our galaxy, called Sagittarius A, has a mass of around 4 million times that of the Sun. And just recently, astronomers captured the first ever image of the shadow of a supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87, a breakthrough in astrophysics. Intermediate black holes? These are still shrouded in mystery, with masses ranging from 100 to 1,000 solar masses. Some recent discoveries, including the detection of gravitational waves, hint that intermediate black holes may be much more common than we thought. Each one is a gravitational force to be reckoned with, but the real danger comes from their effect on their surroundings. Let's talk about that. What do you think would happen if a planet or a star ventured too close to a black hole? It's not pretty. As you get closer to the event horizon, the tidal forces, the difference in gravitational pull, become stronger. Eventually, these forces stretch and distort objects in a process known as spaghettification, and it's as terrifying as it sounds. If you were unfortunate enough to get too close to a black hole, your body would stretch into a long, thin strand, like a piece of spaghetti, and be torn apart atom by atom. It sounds crazy, but it's true. And if something, like a star, gets too close, it'll be torn apart and consumed by the black hole. Poof! Gone forever. Now, We can't talk about black holes without mentioning some of the more outlandish theories about them. Some people believe black holes are portals to other dimensions, or that they could lead to wormholes that provide shortcuts through space. One theory even suggests that black holes could be gateways to alternate universes, which sounds like science fiction, but isn't entirely outside the realm of possibility. After all, black holes represent regions where the laws of physics break down, and we really don't know what happens inside them. But what do you think? Do you buy into these theories, or do you think black holes are just cosmic death traps? Let me know in the comments below. So, why are black holes so dangerous? The sheer power they wield, destroying stars, bending space-time, and trapping everything in their grasp, is just part of the story. But they also represent the most profound mysteries in science. From how they form to what happens inside, black holes could hold the key to understanding the very origins of the universe, and even the fate of space itself. They're powerful, unpredictable, and can tear apart anything that ventures too close. But they're also part of the very fabric of the universe, offering us clues to some of the most profound questions about space, time, and even the origins of the cosmos. They could be a window into the secrets of dark matter, dark energy, and quantum physics, bridging the gap between general relativity and quantum mechanics, two of the greatest unsolved puzzles in physics today. But don't get too comfortable near one. And now, you know why. Because now you know how dangerous it can be for a star to be close to a black hole, then just think what it can do to a normal human being in a spaceship. We've just scratched the surface of these mind-bending cosmic giants. If you're ready to continue exploring the mysteries of space, be sure to subscribe to Interstellar Quest and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure through the cosmos. And, of course, leave your thoughts in the comments below on what you think happens inside a black hole. Do you believe any of the conspiracy theories about them? Let's keep the conversation going. I'll be reading everyone's comment and respond with what my thoughts. Let's start a conversation, and maybe, just maybe, the next theory can be from us. Share this video with your friends who are curious about the mysteries of space, and let's keep expanding our interstellar community. Until next time, space explorers, keep looking up and keep wondering. The universe is full of secrets just waiting to be discovered.